Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker test on the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see, friends, I am using the OnePlus 80 smartphone. The OnePlus 80 has a dual stereo speaker setup, one on the top near the earpiece and one at the bottom, as you can see here. So two dual speaker setup which is present in the OnePlus 80 device. So let's see, friends, whether in the high volumes will there be any vibrations on the backside or not. So what I'll do, I'll try to do another video comparison with the Poco X3 device. So in the Poco X3, we all know that there is a lot of vibrations on the backside. I'll try to compare this kind of dual stereo speaker setup between both of the smartphones side by side. So in that test, you will be able to know which phone has the how much vibrations is going on the backside as well. So stay tuned for that video by subscribing to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So let me try to play one of the audio file which I'm using for the testing purpose right now. So it is the audio file which I have selected here. So let me try to start playing the test, and here is the sound meter bar, as you can see here. So let me try to start the audio. So all right, friends, the sound in the OnePlus 80, I can definitely feel the sound is very high in this mobile phone in the OnePlus 80 device. The bottom stereo speaker setup, which has kind of more sound than the top one. So the bottom one recorded, I think, close to 123 decibels, and the top one recorded close to 107 decibels. So it's a quick comparison between both speakers, top and the bottom one. So in another videos, I'll try to do separate videos on the dual stereo speaker setup comparison with the Poco X3 device and other smartphones like OnePlus 7 Pro device, as well as a OnePlus 7 Pro. And there's also another phone which I'll be planning to do is a Realme X2 Pro device as well. So stay tuned, friends, for that videos, interesting videos and interesting comparisons with the OnePlus 80 versus other smartphones. So you will get to know more details about this device as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video for more details. And until then, bye.